Hello everyone, this is VLADIMIR KIRI and I'm still here in this Park-Hotel, and today I want to show you just one day with Russian nature. And if you may see, there is a sunset right now. It's 7 p.m. and it's time for sunset. I want you to listen to this natural sounds of birds. It's very beautiful, and I just want to show you around here. It's really beautiful and nice. Nothing special. I mean, in terms of, I'm not going to tell you anything special, just to show you this nature, just a chance to enjoy it. Look how beautiful it's here. It's like painted, but mosquitoes, they're just sitting on my face. Crazy. Can you see the river? Or it's not even the river. Oh, mosquitoes are crazy. I have to run because this is evening and it was a short train, and there is river nearby, so mosquitoes are crazy. Even protection doesn't help me. They're sitting exactly on my face. So if you're going to come to visit places like this, you have to bring lots of protection. Otherwise, it's hard to go out. But still, it's very beautiful. I wish everyone has really nice evening mood. Enjoy your daytime and be happy always. See you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.